Welcome back to the bench. Today, we are assembling a 28.8 volt parking battery pack. A parking battery does not live in the same world as a starter battery. Its job is not to deliver one short burst and then rest. Its job is to carry a continuous load for a long period of time. That is a very different challenge. The process always starts with cell matching. We test and group cells with identical internal resistance and voltage curves. A battery pack follows the bucket effect. The weakest cell limits the performance of the whole pack. So if the cells are not well matched, the problem does not always show up at the beginning. At first, the battery may look normal. Voltage may look normal, the system may still run. But as the discharge continues, the weaker cell drops faster, the pack balance gets worse, and the whole battery becomes less stable in the later stage of use. This is usually why drivers find their AC shutting off unexpectedly in the middle of the night, even when the display shows 20% capacity left. Next, we connect the cells using oversized pure copper bus bars. We use a high torque fastening process to ensure maximum surface contact. A parking battery often sustains a 40 to 50 amp draw for hours. In electrical engineering, extra resistance equals wasted energy converted into heat. By minimizing the contact resistance to microohms, we eliminate thermal bottlenecks. This prevents localized overheating that slowly degrades battery life and avoids catastrophic melting of insulating materials. Of course, proper BMS matching is essential. For this kind of pack, it is not enough to say there is a BMS inside. The important question is whether its control logic fits real parking use. If protection is too aggressive, the battery may cut off too early. If load response is not handled properly, the system may become unstable exactly when the user expects it to stay calm. So real reliability does not come from having more functions on paper. It comes from having a protection strategy that understands the application. A good parking lithium battery knows when to hold and when to protect. If you want to dive deeper into our testing protocols, or if you have specific technical questions about battery pack assembly, drop a comment below. See you in the next build.